The main issue here is that the country doesn't produce steel. So we buy raw material from overseas, but then all of that is processed here in the country. Unlike a lot of other companies who mainly buy everything from overseas. So there is no value that they are adding locally. There is no employment that they're giving locally. They're just buying stuff from overseas and selling it here.
How many employees?
Atlas Steel has around 500 employees, divided between our plants here and in Leh. We started business here as suppliers of steel material, construction material basically, steel sections, rebars for floor slabs and column cages and all of that. We also supply a lot of fencing works. We do a lot of roofing works, roofing irons as we call it here in the country. And in addition to that, since 2009, 2010, we started doing the kit homes. And lately we've introduced modular homes. This is more on the residential side. We also supply, design, fabricate and supply prefabricated buildings that are used for industrial sheds, that are used for dormitories, educational buildings, libraries, you name the kind of structure that you want, and it can all be built in steel. And we are one of those proud local companies who have been operating in the country using local resources and adding more value to the economy, as I can say. In terms of the lifespan of steel, in terms of the durability, I think steel is the only product that can be passed on from one generation to the other. Steel is fire resistant. It has its own inbuilt resistance to fire. But having said that, previously there was no option of steel homes in the country. So people were living in timber homes. But now the market is evolving. There are more options available. And I think people are making the right choice by going for the best products available in the market.